Assalamu alaikum. Student, after creating your username or account, you have to simply mention your username and your designated password. After performing this simple method, our system dashboard would be appear in front of you. First, you have to simply go to site home and review our website courses. First of all, you have to review orientation course, and one thing I would like to mention that orientation course would be mandatory in all conditions. You have to fulfill your orientation, and after completing your orientation lectures, your feedback, and after that in wrap up section we would likely share our enrollment key with you. Either you have to go in all section like visitor section, finance section, follow-up section. The designated enrollment key would be mentioned over there. First of all, if you want to visit any section, you have to click on visitor section enrollment key and simply go to visitor section and apply that enrollment key in visitor section and click enrollment. After that, one thing I would like to mention, course material. You have to review your course material because reviewing course material is mandatory. When you review your course material and after that when you review your course material, you have to simply look this sign. If you not review your course material, this sign would not be in your system, and after that you can simply take your lectures when you review your lectures. After that your quiz section would be here in system. You have to perform your quiz. One thing I would like to share that how you attempt your quiz. You can simply attempt your quiz like that. You have to select one option and next page you have to select like this designated options. You have to select your options like that. Whenever you have complete your quiz, you have to simply finish and submit all finish, and your result would be appeared like that. Student, after performing your quiz, you have to note down one thing that in this specific case, our one student would be failed to attempt this quiz, and your answer and the system would be displayed, your all answers are incorrect. That I'm going to show you another case. In that simple case, student would be qualified in quiz and her remarks would be your answers is correct, and in that case student would be passed. What happen if student would fail to attempt the quiz? Whenever student fail to attempt the quiz, they have to perform again and again unless or unless they pass the quiz. After performing quiz, assignment sections would be opened. Assignment sections criteria would be a little critical. In that case, when you listen your lectures in assignment, as an assignment, when you listen that lecture, that particular lecture, you have to submit an audio file in your assignment. Once you listen that lecture, You submit that lecture in your audio form, simply applying this process. You have to upload your file. After save changes, submitting for grades to our system admin. Student, after submitting grades by our designated admin, once student attempt to fail that assignment, again the procedure would be followed that they have to submit again and again unless or unless our admin would qualify them for the next level. Same the process would be done again. After submitting graded by our admin, in that process, one student would be qualified, they were eligible for our next phase. That would include their lecture and quiz and assignments and so on. This process will be done again and again and again. Now come back to our site review, course selection section. You have to review your courses. Either you have to choose SIRA, visitor, follow-up, and that, so on, so on. All in all, if you have further queries related to this, simple you have to go our GDB, group discussion boards, that our particular admin would welcome you first in our system, and you have any sort of query like my assignments are not would be shown, my grades would not be shown, I can't review my password, forget password, and like that, our system would be answering you within 24 hours. Further notification or announcements related to our bell section. If your course have some sort of news, some sort of upgradation in your assignments, your GDPs, or some sort of announcement done by your teachers, all these types of news queries would become in our simply bell section. After that, you can log out your account.